Buddy, it is Silly Seals 2770 back here, and today we're going to be making a wolf. Yes, I don't have a wolf. Wow. Wow. Just think of wow. Who does not have a wolf? Well, maybe you don't, but we're going to decorate it and everything. So, what are we going to name it? Mythical. Let's do mythical. Wait, no, let's pick all K's. That's gonna be weird, but why am I going this way? Well, we're just gonna continue this way, so wait until we get to the K's. Coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up. Are there any K's? King. Uh-oh, this is gonna be hard. King. Hawaii. Duh. No, wait, no, I have a really good name. Where's that? It was Moon. Here. Is there spirit in this one? Let's see. King Spirit Moon. Oh, that's a good name. I love it. Okay, guys, so we will now decorate. Decorate. Yeah, we're gonna decorate it. Let's see. Nah. Okay, we'll pick some out. We shall look like the moon. We should be all black, and then there's a moon somewhere. We could do that, or we could do blue with the moon. No, this wouldn't have to be that. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I like that. I really like that. We'll do orange eyes because orange is beautiful eye color. We'll do a studded collar. No, I like the hat. The hat is good. Okay. Actually, no, I want to change my color. To dark red. And then this could be ooh, we should do stars then, because stars would look better. Or should I do this one? Because this is pretty cool. That is cool. Gotta say that. This is hard. Ooh, what we need is a Warren. That's what we need. Warren will make this look way better. No, they don't keep track of time. No. Yeah, he'll have an accordion. That's it. This is good. Good stuff, bruh. Good stuff. The reason why I like these is because they howl at the moon, and it's so adorable, and I love it. Okay. Well, here is our wolf. Oh yeah, and off video, I adopted a pet butterfly. Waha, beautiful. Let's go, pet butterfly. So we need a video where we just decorate all our characters, a very unique one. I have a whitetail knot. Trade me looking to accept. That makes no sense, but. Oh, I want that. Please give it. Give it. Now. I'll give you my gumball machine. Just saying. I'll give you it for it. That's not gonna work, but imagine it does. Yeah, exactly. I knew it wasn't gonna work. Ha ha ha. Become a Segway. Segway. Those are different. They look different to me. No. Hacker. No, just kidding. He's not. Oh, the best place to go when you have a wolf is up here. Oh my gosh, I hate this room. It's the worst room ever. No, it's actually kind of not. Is to howl at the moon. I mean, the whatever. Let's play. There. Oh, she's so pretty. She's really pretty. Oh, I wish I had that character. Look at me. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah, you don't think that's nice, yeah. Ugh, that looks terrible. Her look was way better. So pretty. Okay, that is good. That is good, pretty much. You know. Let's try it this way though. No. Okay, well I kind of changed my look. Sorry, Mr. Star 36. I changed my look. So funny. Hat. Beautiful. Ribbon scarf. No, I like this. I like that. I like its ear sticking through and it's so cute. Oh, no. I have a better idea. Okay. We need to make our animal black and red and no. And this should be black and this should be gray. Oh wait, no. It should be. Okay, let's redo this. Let's be all white for a second. After I do this, what I want to do, I will end the video. So let's clean off my look. First of all, I really want the hat, so I'm gonna wear that, so I could copy off of that color. So I could have red. That's nice. No, red is better. Red. My eyes could be gray. Ah, yes, that's good. That's good, guys. That's perfect. Okay, yes, this is the life. This, guys, this is the best thing you will ever see. It looks so smooth and soft. Seriously. I love this look better. This look is better. Let's just do the worn. It looks better. Wow, I just said basically the same thing. But how about this? Okay, no. yak horns. No, that's getting rid of my hat. No way. Hey, I could be a boy. No, sorry, I don't want that. No, that's just going out of nowhere. Like, it's just flowing in front of me then. Oh, I thought these were rare and beta. Opal necklace. No, I wish this came in red or silver. That would have been way better. No. No. Okay, let's see. Sorry for the background noises again because, you know, yes. Okay. Yes, please. We'll do black then. We'll do black with this. Oh, you can't do any other color. Ooh, unless I want this. No, I kind of want the other thing better. Okay, guys. I'm gonna stop the video right here. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment any questions you have. And that is it for this video. So, goodbye.